This is the final day out here at the work site. I'm going to be heading out, and he's going to be heading back to Michigan and that. I'm just out picking up some last minute trash, cleaning the area where we were working at here. I'm a little worried because it rained several hours last night, and I'm parked in dirt that is really muddy and sticking to my shoes. So we got this head that we got to put back in this crate. That's just a pile of stuff for the dumpster. A couple pieces of wood to pick up and still up on blocks over here. So here it is. Should make it back to Michigan the next couple days. We took it on a test drive and let it run for a little bit where we were parked there at the gate, and there wasn't a single drop of oil underneath of it. The only thing that we did lose was a little bit of coolant out of the surge tank because it doesn't seal all the way, and I had 100% full. So as soon as it heated up, it expanded a little bit and it kicked a little out. So his cooling system's not pressurizing, but that's not going to ruin it. It's pretty. Heading off that way towards Phoenix today.